Hey there! Today we're diving into a common issue that many programmers encounter while working on coding exercises. The problem arises when we attempt to create a read-only string table in NASM for x86-64, but face compile errors related to the PIE scheme. It's a tricky situation, but fret not, as there's a solution to tackle this pesky problem. Now, let's talk about the solution to our read-only string table dilemma. By utilizing a specific GNU extension available on Linux, we can ensure that our string table remains read-only at runtime. The key is to define the section as .data.rel.ro, which allows it to be initially writable for dynamic linker relocations. Once the relocations are fixed up, the section is remapped as read-only. This smart approach ensures that our data stays protected while still being flexible during runtime. Smooth sailing ahead! To wrap it up, we've tackled the challenge of creating a read-only string table in NASM by leveraging a clever GNU extension. By defining our section as .data.rel.ro, we strike a perfect balance between maintaining the data's integrity and allowing for necessary runtime adjustments. Remember, when faced with coding conundrums, there's always a way to navigate through them. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding!